Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your mobile phone if you have enabled talkback feature, how you can disable this option talkback feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the phone, and if you are seeing this problem, you can see this green line. If you are just unable to open your phone, how you can open this phone, you can see it is unlocked by face lock, but still I am not using it, not swiping it. How you can just do this: take two fingers, swipe like this. You can see it is open now, and you can just swipe down up down like this, and upward like this. Click on one time to select this and double tap to activate this. You can see, and then you have to just go to this search button. Here you have your talk, then go to talkback feature. Then you have to click double tap, and then you have to just simply off this settings. And friends, you can see it is now, it is in normal. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.